Morning guys, today is day 2 of our El Nido trip. It's breakfast time and we're gonna eat first. Rooftop daw ang breakfast. Let's see if it's actually a nice view out there. Today is the day that we're gonna have fun at the beach. Yeah, let's go eat first. So, ito na kami guys. Hello guys. Punta na kami sa
Port.
at mag-island hopping na kami. Ganda ng kulay ko guys, Talagang hindi ako mawawala. Kitang-kita ako ng lahat. Lifeguard ako eh. Take it up. Ayun. Ayun oh. Take it up. Yan. Ano sabi mo sa show ni May? Hello guys. Doon kami tumuwid.
Actually, ganyan talaga.
From there.
Haba kasi ng mabit.
Wala kasing tawiran so we have to like go there.
Nakawakan ko ng ano ko eh.
Masana kami kagad. Hindi pa kami nag-swim. Yung itinerary natin.
Hindi ko kabisado.
Small lagoon, sa big lagoon at medium lagoon. Sa large.
Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Shimizu Beach, Secret Lagoon, Seven Commando Beach, Matinlock Shrine, Secret Beach, Hidden Beach, Star Beach, Helicopter Island.
Yeah.
Mapupuntahan ba natin lahat to?
Kaya yan, mga 10 seconds lang tayo doon. Okay, let's go. Our group's first stop is Helicopter Island. It is named Helicopter Island because its shape is similar to a helicopter. To me it looks more like a whale. Next stop is Hidden Beach. It's called Hidden Beach because it looks kinda hidden. We went at the right side of it because our tour guide mentioned that there's always less people here compared to the other side of the beach. Soon it started raining after we went for a swim. Third stop is Secret Beach. It's not really secret now, obviously, but this one you have to go through a small cave-like passage to get to the actual destination. Inside the beach are shallow waters with white sands and big rocks to step on. Bigay mo yan. May papepe. Tapos ngiti. Ikaw din. Yeah. So ayun, kumakain na kami. Lunch muna. Ano yung mga pinunta natin? Yung una, helicopter. Yung pangalawa, Hidden Beach. Ito third na to, di ba? May Hidden Beach, ito third, Secret Beach. Medyo umulan lang kanina ng onte dun sa may Hidden Beach. Umulan na malakas pala actually. Pero okay na ulit, isang araw na ulit. Siguro mga 2 islands. After Secret Beach, we stopped at the snorkeling area beside Matinlock Shrine. We didn't go to the actual shrine itself. Instead, we decided to stay in the waters and snorkel around the area. The first lagoon that we visited was Big Lagoon. As we sail on its shallow waters, I couldn't help to be in awe every moment that we spent there. To enjoy this majestic place, you can either sail using the rented boat or you can rent a kayak. Just beside the Big Lagoon, we arrived at the small lagoon. I wonder where the medium lagoon is. On a serious note though, if you truly want to see this phenomenal place, I highly suggest to rent a kayak since the area is too big for a person to swim around it. Our last stop is at Seven Commandos Beach. Here we spent the rest of the day swimming and having fun at the sand. There are several versions why its name is Seven Commandos. Some say it's something about the seven soldiers, some say it's a name of a ship. All I know is it's a great place to relax, to have fun, and to enjoy nature. Can you guys hear that? There's a generator here in our inn. I guess it's just because ganun ba daw sa El Nido ata. It's normal, hindi nasusupply ang lahat ng kuryente, I think. So, yung mga hotel, mga inn, they do have their own generators to power up their electricity. We just finished doing the island tour. Nangitim kami lahat. It was fun. Maybe typical Palawan trip. Ganun naman lagi yung mga island tour. But this time we did some kayak. So something different. Medyo mahirap pala mag-kayak, medyo masakit dito. Dito sa tapata. At saka sa arms. Didn't get a lot of shots though. Medyo mahirap kumuha ng shots kasi pabalik-balik ako dun sa boat. Then, grab the camera, shot, and then had to put it back inside again kasi nababasa. Medyo umuulan din kanina ng onte. Oh, I had an issue too with my gimbal earlier. Yung tripod stand supposed to be for the gimbal. Hindi ko siya may pasok eh. Yung niya kasi yung screw niya parang pumasok sa ilalim. Basta yung kabitan ng tripod stand for the gimbal medyo umuna siya sa ilalim. Wala akong screwdriver to loosen it up para humaba siya ulit so I can screw up the tripod. So I couldn't balance it. So, naghanap pa kami ng beach na merong flat surface so I can do the gimbal. So, I was able to do that on the last beach that we went to. Doon ko lang nagamit yung gimbal. Now, we're preparing to eat. And, yeah, we're gonna go sleep and go tomorrow morning, super early in the morning. Dahil nga doon sa Colorum, cheche-bureche na yun sa mga vans. So, I still don't understand why there's Colorum here. That was it. It's pretty fun. Hopefully, when we go to Coron, it's a better experience for us. Tomorrow, we're gonna leave. Parang one day lang kami dito sa El Nido. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We will go eating first, and then we're gonna go take a rest. And that's gonna be it for this day. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe. Nothing really special tomorrow because we're just gonna leave again. But yeah, that's it. See you guys on the next one. Yeah, buddy. Good morning, guys. It's 3:30 a.m. I'm fixing all my things right now. It's time to leave El Nido. She's still asleep. Pretty wasted.